Ofentse Ledwaba again. Today I'll be discussing more about how I managed to make $2,000 in a day. Yes, you know why this is at most exciting for me is because when I started trading Forex, basically it will take me about a month to make that kind of match, but today I was able to make it with the strategy that I have, and I was able to make it trading NASDAQ. You understand? So one thing that has really evolved my trading, it was the patience and the journey that I took, and me also being able to accept my current skill. You understand? The current skill that I was at, when I would take losses, I will accept that, okay, I need to better myself, I need to tweak a little bit there and there on my strategy, and keep on practicing, find out why the trades are wrong, or find out why those trades didn't go out my way. So basically, with that in place, you would see that we are holding $2,000 here, and then I'll just show you the entries that we took. So these are the entries. These were the entries that we took a buy. You see? So I'll just go back again to the So these were the entries that you see, and the profits. Voila. Hope it is visible. You can see. Yes. So with that in place, and you would see that it has been a very profitable day, and we were able to make this in a day. You understand? You can see the profit was $2,300. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is that with the mindset and the practice that you should be empowering your knowledge, and then having patience, and also going back to understand the risks and the mistakes that you get to understand that with our strategy, the minute you join Forex Heroes, you tend to keep on understanding the market daily basis. You understand, each and every day you learn something new. So basically what I'm trying to show you is that today I've really inspired and showed most of our groups that you can indeed double your account in a day. You understand? Waiting for that right setup. You understand? That's what I did. Many of you would like to understand how I did it. I waited. Actually, what happened, I missed 2 trading opportunities, and then I waited. Just when I went to the charts for the last time, I think it was about after 2 hours or so, and then when I went there, I saw a setup that I've been waiting for, and then I went in, boom, I bought NASDAQ. Immediately I bought it, shot straight up, came back, retest, I bought again, short, and it was gone, and profits were made. So basically it was a very successful, exciting trade, because it really showed me that sometimes certain trading opportunities, when they pass you, they are blazing in the skies. You understand? The great one, the perfect one is coming. So you just need to be ready, load up your weapons, make sure your trading account is ready, and just click that button when it is in your favor, when your trading plan corresponds with everything. So what I would like to share with you is that you can click and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification button so that you are informed whenever I post new videos. I'll be posting more videos about forex knowledge so that you can be able to understand. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and also be part of our community. You understand? So what I would actually try to make sure that all our members improve on is their entries. You understand? Because one thing I've realized, that entry is as much as important as your stop loss. Where you put your buy or where you put your sell, it's very important, because it determines how big your stop loss is, how much you are losing, and it determines how much you are winning. You understand? If I put my trade at perfect entry and you get in on the setup slate, you will get minimal profits. If we go in with the same lot size, you get minimal profit, and then your stop loss will be big. Mine will be stop loss minimal and my profits will be big. So you understand? So that's what I'm busy with now, empowering the premium members, the members in the forex group. Please do not forget to join the Forex Heroes. The link is below. Click on the Forex Heroes FX and join us in our premium course. You will be able to understand the broad market, and you'll be able to understand NASDAQ as a whole. So basically what I definitely give out is the principle of the market nature. You get to understand why, how, when this happens. You understand? So with that in place, you need to understand that the market moves in phases. You understand? And at most, the utmost good thing is that you need to just make sure that the trades that you took is a trade that you say, even if it goes against you, you are fine. You understand? I'm very happy to share, ladies and gentlemen, because yes, I sometimes make $2,000 to $3,000 per day, but it's not on one trade or one instrument. So basically with this one, it was on one instrument. You understand? So basically we'll be giving much more knowledge on teaching you guys on how to do it like me, how to do it like the head mentor at Forex Heroes. You understand? We'll teach you, and you'll be able to withdraw your profits. What we usually assist members is we assist them with their problems. That's how we tackle the situation. Because let me tell you one thing, there's tons and tons of strategies on the internet. You can learn everything, each and everything, every day. But then the minute you don't question why this happens, you don't question why is it happening, you are not really learning. You understand? So you need to understand that you need to learn by some sort of asking questions, going back, making mistakes. It is okay to make a mistake. I've made mistakes before. So in my trading career, I've made tons, and I've blown many tons of accounts. So you need to understand that it is not an overnight thing. It is not a get rich quick scheme. It takes time. But then time also depends on your effort, your hard work that you put in. You understand? If you can put in the hard work combined with the theory and the practical and the experience of the market that I have, that I will be sharing with you transparently, so everything you will be getting, everything, study guides, each and every tool that I use, you will get access to it. You'll be able to trade like a pro. You'll be able to trade like a forex hero. You will be able to make 2,000 and more USD per day. You understand? You will actually be equipped with the knowledge for life. You understand? So I really grant you the full access to the premium course, Forex Heroes premium course. It's backed by public demand. You will actually enjoy it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and also join the course. Join our Telegram channel. Follow me on Instagram as well. Do not forget to make sure that you have the right tools when you are trading. So basically what you will need to do is understand the concept of forex trading. Don't worry if you don't really know what is forex trading. Go to our website www.forexheroesfx.com. The link is below. We have a video for you whereby it explains what is forex trading, and then you can look through our packages. So members, thank you. I appreciate your support. Thank you for always tuning into my YouTube channel. Those who are new to this channel, please join us, subscribe, join our family, click on the notification button, and also don't forget to share it with your friends and family so that we can all grow and share this forex knowledge with the rest of the world. Thank you for tuning in. It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba, forexheroesfx.com. Thank you.